Hi, my name is Amy West and I'm from Parkview RV Center in Smyrna, Delaware, and we're the home of the great deal. Today I have the Northern Lite Truck Camper. It is built in Kelowna, British Columbia, and we are going to be going into the 2025 811 Dry Bath Limited Edition. So we'll go inside. So we're inside the 2025 811 Northern Lite LE. So we have the Greystokes interior shown in this unit. It's also the Arctic blue with the Greystokes gray leatherette. Inside here we have the LED lights with the USB ports. We have a 10.5 BTU air conditioner. We have a 3-burner cooktop with the oven. Over here we have the microwave. You have the marine grade ceiling. So right behind you we have a 60 by 80 True Queen. We have a Heike skylight, and then we have wardrobes all the way around. Also in each corner there is another reading light with USB outlets too. There's also a moisture barrier underneath here. And then there's cubbies for your shoes, and a lot of different drawers there.
And this turns into a bed, right?
This does turn into a bed. And then all the windows are acrylic, so they'll go all the way out, giving you great cross breeze in here. We do have privacy shades one way, and then the regular screens to close it all up for you. This does come standard with a 7300 fantastic fan, stainless steel range hood. This is the dry bath version. So with the dry bath version, you have the toilet that is north-south. And in the 811, you will lose 5 inches from the dinette when you have the dry bath, but it does give you a curtain rod.
And this is a sliding door. Beautiful. Yeah. And we have a Dometic 12-volt refrigerator, I guess?
Yes, Dometic 12-volt.
Okay. With a freezer and a hanging closet?
Hanging closet, wardrobe, yeah. This also has an option of a generator on board. And then we have 3 200-watt solar panels on top.
Okay. And what kind of a truck does one need to have in order to carry this?
This one is made for a 3/4 ton short bed.
Short bed. Okay. And I see there's a backup camera or security camera.
Yes. So it has a backup camera standard. This is a 7-foot awning standard. And then on the side we have a 10-foot power awning standard. It also has here, let's see if they're open. So this is for the propane. You have 2 30-pound LP tanks on a sliding tray standard. You have 2 exterior speakers standard. Outlets anywhere we could put them. There's another outlet in here for the refrigerator that you can use if you need it. And then it's a completely enclosed underbelly too. Northern Lite's made with a 2-piece fiberglass construction, so it's made like a boat. So they're completely
watertight.
Watertight, pretty much, yeah.
And how much does this unit weigh?
They weigh every unit as they're coming off the line. This one as it sits with the options, and the options again are the generator, the U-shaped dinette, and the Greystokes wood. This one as it sits is $31.96.
$31.96.
The LEs, they really don't come with many options. You have dually brackets for the bigger trucks, the wood, U-shaped dinette, and generators, and that's basically it.
And you told me earlier, I remember, if you wanted to have a wet bath, then you would gain 5 inches of space that could contribute either as a pantry or a bigger dinette area. Is that what it was?
Yes, but that's only in the 10-2.
Okay.
the bigger one. So our Cadillac is the 10.2 Northern Lite, and that will give you the dry bath will eliminate a pantry. The wet bath will give you a pantry in the 10.2. Okay, so this is the 2025 10.2 LE wet bath, and this has the pantry option. Well, not option, it's standard. If you don't have the dry bath, you get the pantry. So it's right here. Okay.
So this is the wet bath.
Correct. And then this is the Sapelli hardwood. It's similar to an African mahogany. And this is standard instead of the Greystokes wood. So this is what would be standard if you didn't choose the Greystokes.
And let's show them the difference of the dinette. Not a U, but
this is a face-to-face, it's called.
And this turns into a bed as well.
Yes, this is also a bed. And then this color is called the chocolate sandstone. So this is kind of their flagship color. Yeah, so this is the beautiful Sapelli hardwood table. I love the inlay in this. You can only get this table in the LE, the limited edition. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love the wood in here.
It feels like a yacht.
It feels like a yacht. It's just very rich.
Very high quality, you can tell. And here's the pantry with the light a little bit better, and you have all the baskets down there. So you get a wet bath and a pantry, which is very essential for those of us who know, when you're on the road, every space, every millimeter, every inch is just...
And then you can see their drawers. They're all made at their factory. They're solid wood everywhere.
There's a lot of them too. There's so much space to store. Like, it's unbelievable. Like, every nook and cranny is just made available as storage.
Yeah, and then if you notice, this has a 6'8" ceiling height.
Oh yeah, so spacious.
Yeah, a lot of people are like, oh no, I'm too tall for truck campers. You're not. 6'8" is really tall, so you can definitely fit in.
This is definitely taller than a van.
Yes,
like a Class B or even a Class B plus.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
You would need a 1-ton long bed for this truck camper. Yeah. So it's a little bit heavier, but well worth it.
But it's gorgeous.
Thank you. Yes.
And this year you mentioned that you also have a brand new product.
We do.
Entry-level.
Well, it's made for the people that don't have the bigger truck. So it's made for those who have the half-ton truck short bed. So we can take you down to it if you like. Here we are. So Northern Lite had this truck camper, don't quote me on it, but I know it was at least 20 years ago. It's called their 610. It was one of their original truck campers. So they brought it back because they had a lot of people going, where's the small truck campers? We don't all have these big trucks. So they brought it back for this year. It's still the 2-piece construction, but they wanted to get the weights down.
Very cute.
So
spacious for being the size that it is.
So it's the mattress is a little bit smaller. It's it's an RV queen. And it goes side to side instead of the other way the other beds were. You still have the same air conditioner. The refrigerator is smaller. However, you still have the stove. You still have the sink. They still give you a microwave. You have a cassette toilet in this, but then they give you an outside shower should you need it. This has a fantastic fan in here as well, and the acrylic windows.
And it's got all these cubbies rather than cabinetry.
Yes, it has cubbies instead of cabinetries. Again, they wanted to really watch their weight just so it could get into those half-ton trucks.
And again, the acrylic insulated windows, the awning style windows.
Yeah. A lot of these things though are options that we at Parkview optioned in for. We just thought our clients would like them. We optioned in the electric jacks, the air conditioner, the microwave as well, and the fantastic fan. So those are all things that you don't have to have, but we chose to put in our units. And that is a cassette toilet. That does come standard.
So it's a sitting bench,
yes,
but then
it turns. Yeah.
And then you can have it as comfortable as you can be.
Right.
But you're in a
It's
truck bed,
usable,
a
though,
tiny
yeah.
truck bed. Like, this is beautiful. Like,
It gives you
Great.
everything you need.
great upholstery, modern look, all the gray and the black.
It does come in blue and gray as well.
Beautiful and very spacious, like east to west sleeping configuration with that beautiful hatch above your bed. When you're sleeping, you can watch the skies, the moon, or wake up to beautiful sunrise.
Right, and then with it being so light, a lot of people have the smaller trucks and they like to go surf fishing and things like that. You can take these on the beach at a lot of states. So you can go and wake up on the beach.
And you mentioned something really unique. Because you are based in Delaware and the state of Delaware consider these as accessories?
Correct. So Delaware is a tax-free state. So we have no tax on truck campers because they are an accessory for the vehicle. There's no registration. So it's a lot like a boat or an ATV, things like that, because they're not a registered vehicle.
And the buyers not necessarily have to reside in Delaware.
It'd be like just buying like a truck cap or buying a washer and dryer or a laptop. So that we're very fortunate to be able to sell these to our clients.
That's very cool, especially if you're in the market and you want to save a little bit on that extra tax.
Right.
You should come to
Parkview
RV.
in Smyrna, Delaware.
Exactly, and definitely Amy will help you
Yes, anyone can help you at Parkview.
get into one of those beautiful Northern Lite Truck Campers, and they're all 2025. They all look so cool, so sexy, and
Or come and see us at Hershey. We're here all week.
thank you so much, Amy,
Thank
for
you,
the show.
Isaac.
I'll have my viewers contact you at parkviewrv.com.
Yes, perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.